Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a good old olive green smoky eye. Olive green has to be one of my favorite shades. I love it because it makes my eyes super green, and anytime I see an olive green shadow in a palette, I feel like I just fangirl over that shadow and I need to use it in some way. And I'm not sure if I've ever even done just like a simple, quick and easy olive green look. I feel like if I have, I always try to put like a little bit of a twist to it. So today I just did something really simple and quick and easy, and actually this is one of my go-to looks. And I wore this look this past weekend and I loved it, and I was like, you know what? Why have I never filmed it? So that is what I'm doing for you guys today. I got my olive green shirt on with the bows and everything, looking all cute and summery, and I have a tan. Look at my tan lines. So I'm excited. I know it's not super summery, but honestly, this is a look that I will wear all year round. So I hope that you guys enjoy this look, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. The first shade I'm picking up is this light brown. I'm first going in with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, and I'm first going to start running this shadow through my crease. And the shadow is like a little bit more warm than the other shadows I'm going to apply, and I don't know why, but I love a warm transition shade with cool tones. I think that sometimes looks really cool, and especially with an olive green look, I love a little bit of warmth peeking through at the very top of my crease. I'm now going into this matte olive shade. Now switching over to my E25 blending brush, and I'm using a really light hand to just first distribute this color through my crease. I'm going all the way into the inner corner, and then start doing little circular motions to start blending this up and out, and then just keep going back and forth. And then this part definitely doesn't have to be neat. I'm picking that same shadow up on my E25 and just lightly buffing that across my lid, just to add a little bit of this shadow as a base for the other shimmery shadow that I'm going to apply over top. I like to layer shadows sometimes. It just adds a little bit of extra dimension and just makes it look kind of cooler, like you put more time and effort into it, but you really didn't. And then just going back in with that tan shadow at the high point of the crease, and then kind of just drag it all across that crease area just to bring back that warmth. I always, no matter what, bring back the transition shade at the end. It just helps make everything very blended out and smoked out and buffed out. How many other ways can I say blended out? For my lid, I'm picking up Capricorn. The shadow is so pretty. Look at that. The perfect olive green. So I'm going to use my finger. I find that in this palette, when you use your finger with the shimmery shades, it actually works better. So while I'm applying it, I'm also kind of applying it just at the very bottom of my crease, because I'm going to blend it out, and it's going to help make the entire look very seamless and blended out. And then just keep applying that all the way into the inner corner, and again at the bottom of that crease area. So now you see how I applied that at the very bottom of the crease. So if I wouldn't blend it out, obviously it's going to look harsh, but then if I use a really light hand with my blending brush and just blend that through the crease, it's just going to make it look very seamless. And because the shadow isn't like super metallic and shimmery, it's not going to blend out to be like really weird and chunky in the crease. It's just going to blend out to be really pretty. And then for my lower lash line, going in with that tan shadow and my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush and running that all the way along my lash line, all the way into that inner part right here. And then now with this matte olive green shadow, I'm just applying this and concentrating it mostly on my outer corner. It's kind of just going to elongate your eyes and give you that nice cat eye effect. So concentrating most of that product right here, and then when there's barely anything left on the brush, I'll just smoke that in a little bit just to diffuse that out. To highlight my inner corner, I'm picking up the Center Highlight shade. I've been loving a really bright, intense inner corner highlight, and this palette has the perfect shadows. So I'm applying that with my Sigma F70 concealer brush, and just look at that, and then lightly feather that out and blend that in. To line my waterline and tight line, I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. And then the last thing, just to line my upper waterline, and then line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I've been loving these lashes because they're slightly dramatic but also very comfortable. You basically forget that you're wearing them. And these are the Ardell Double Up Wispies. And that's the eye look done. Okay, so I'm going to do a nude lip, but I want something a little bit more cool toned and something to kind of tie in with the eyes. And I love pairing this lipstick with an olive green smoky eye. It looks so good, but this is also the lipstick that I always wear and reach for whenever I'm going out for the night, because I know it's gonna last all night and it feels super comfortable and it doesn't wear off. You could literally do anything you want, eat, drink, talk, whatever you want, and it will not wear off. And they're amazing, inexpensive, and feel so incredible on the lips. So this is the BH Cosmetics Cashmere Cream Comfort Lipstick, and these are my favorite. Tea and Perf have to be my two favorite shades. I go through them so much. I constantly switch up between those two shades. They're my two favorite nudes out of them. Perf is like my perfect nude shade, I feel like, because it's like my lip shade but better. So whenever it wears off, if it wears off a little bit, which they rarely ever do, it still looks like I have a perfect lip application on. So I'm gonna go into Tea because it's gonna pair nicely with the eyes, and it's a little bit more cool toned and it looks amazing with this olive eye. So that is what I'm gonna use. And that is it. This is the completed look of my quick and easy olive green smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am obsessed with this look. I'm so glad that I finally filmed it. I feel like I create this look so many times and I'm not sure why I never showed you guys it. So finally I did. And if you guys have never tried BH, or if you have but you're looking for that go-to palette that you can use every day and has every shade, the Zodiac palette that I used today is amazing. My absolute favorite BH palette, I think, of all time. It is so perfect, and honestly you can create every look imaginable. You can create any daytime looks, nighttime looks, anything in between, colorful, not colorful, neutral, whatever you want is in that palette. And they're super inexpensive and such good quality. I'm telling you, get that palette. So if you want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'll be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set by Sigma, the Paulina favorites brush set that I used today to create this look will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier, and I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!